Friends, today we will start classes on Indian polity, and in my channel I have uploaded many videos on history and geography, and interested students can go through that video for more details, for more ideas. And today we will start some basic features of Indian polity. Politics is a word derived from the word polis, which means city and or state. And the sophist means the wandering teachers of wisdom, were the first to expound political theory, to know about the political theory. And later the Socrates, the Plato and the Aristotle continued to conduct scientific study and scientific research on politics of various problems concerning the state and the government, that is the politics. That's why Aristotle is regarded as the father of science of politics in the western part of the world. But in India there was a other political thinker who was known as Manu in the Vedic era, and Manu is considered to be the first political thinker of India. And Manusmriti, the book written by Manu, is the book which is regarded as the first book of law in India, and it was written in the Vedic era. Later on, Kautilya, and commonly known as Chanakya, who was present at the time of Mauryas, gave it a concrete form of shape in his book Arthashastra. His famous book was Arthashastra, and it was a well-known book of Indian polity from that time. And India follows the rules written in our constitution, and this constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. So now constitution is the book of law in our India. And there are some overviews on the government of India. The name of our country is Republic of India or Bharatiya Ganatantra. And the type of government is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. That is, the rule of our country is in the hand of the common people. And secular, that is we don't follow any one particular religion. Indian government is tolerant to all religions, and Indian government also has some socialist feature, and we will discuss this sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, all these terms in details in my further videos. And now we know that the government of India is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and the system of government is parliamentary system of government. Our capital is in New Delhi, and India got independence from colonial rule in 15th August 1947, but constitution came in force in 26 January 1950, and before that on 26th November 1949 constitution was adopted, but it came into force on 26 January 1950. And the Constitution of India is the source of legal system in India. All the laws of India has been written in the Constitution, and our national flag is tricolor. And there are mainly three branches of our government. One is legislative branch, second one is executive, and third one is judicial branch. First, legislative branch makes the laws, and the part of the work of executive part is to enforce the laws, and the work of judicial part is to interpret the law and ensure that they are upheld, they are obeyed or not. The legislative part consists of the houses of the parliament, executive part consists of the officials of all the office, and judicial part consists of the Supreme Court, the High Court, etc. And India has 28 states and 8 union territories. And this is all about the government of India, in the brief idea about the government of India. And we will discuss in details about the constitution in my further videos, the evolution of the constitution, the making of constitution, and all the parts of the constitution in details. That's all for today. Thank you.